What is ERP? Explain its importance. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, is a type of integrated software system that organizations use to manage and streamline their business processes and operations. ERP software typically integrates various functions and departments within an organization, such as finance, human resources, supply chain management, manufacturing, sales, and customer relationship management, into a single unified system. ERP helps organizations to streamline operations, improve decision-making, and achieve strategic objectives by providing a centralized platform for managing and integrating core business functions and processes. The importance of ERP lies in its ability to centralize and automate core business processes, resulting in several benefits for organizations. Streamlined operations. ERP software enables organizations to streamline their business processes by eliminating redundant tasks, automating routine operations, and standardizing workflows across departments. This leads to increased efficiency and productivity. Data integration and visibility. ERP systems integrate data from different departments and functions into a centralized database, providing a single source of truth for the organization. Improved collaboration and communication. ERP facilitates collaboration and communication among employees, departments, and business partners by providing access to shared data, documents, and processes, and helps for better resource management. Enhanced customer service. ERP systems include modules for customer relationship management, CRM, that enable organizations to manage customer interactions, track sales leads, and provide personalized service to customers. This leads to improved customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention. Scalability and adaptability. ERP systems are designed to scale with the growth of an organization and adapt to changing business needs and requirements. They provide flexibility and customization options to accommodate unique business processes and evolving industry trends. Compliance and risk management. ERP software helps organizations ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards by enforcing consistent processes, maintaining accurate records, and providing audit trails. This reduces the risk of non-compliance and helps organizations mitigate legal, financial, and reputational risks.